stars, planets, and the Earth. The night sky is an enigma that unfolds a world very different from the one we see during the daytime. The stars and other heavenly bodies are not seen in the day because of the bright light of the sun. Astronomy is a science that studies the universe with all its celestial bodies and related phenomena. The scientists that study astronomy are called astronomers. They use telescopes and modern equipment to study and understand the universe better. Stars. Stars are twinkling luminous heavenly bodies. They give out light and heat of their own. There are millions of stars present in the sky, but are very far away from the Earth. That is the reason they seem like tiny specks of light in the night sky. The nearest star we know and see daily is the Sun. Billions of stars together form a galaxy. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. A constellation is a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern in the sky. The constellations have importance in navigation. Ursa Major, a constellation in the northern sky, is called Saptarshi in India. Planets and satellites. Planets are non-luminous heavenly bodies that revolve around a star. Smaller non-luminous heavenly bodies known as satellites revolve around the planets. These satellites are also known as moons. The moon is a natural satellite of the planet Earth. Planets and their satellites are visible because of the reflection of the sun's light that falls on them. The full moon is the phase of the moon when the side of the moon facing the Earth is fully illuminated by the sun. The new moon is the phase where, though the moon is in the sky, it cannot be seen since the reflected light of the sun does not reach us. We shall learn more about this in the next chapter. Planets of the solar system. The 8 planets revolve around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. Have you ever wondered why planets move in their fixed orbits? This is due to the gravitational pull of the sun, which holds the planets in their orbits. Let us now learn some facts about the 8 planets of the solar system. The 8 planets are classified as inner and outer planets. Inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are classified as inner planets as they are closer to the Sun. The asteroid belt separates the inner and the outer planets. These are very small as compared to the rest of the planets and have a solid rocky crust. Mercury. It is closest to the Sun and the smallest planet of the solar system. Being closest to the Sun, the side facing the Sun is extremely hot. while the one facing away from it is extremely cold. Mercury has no moon. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, Venus is about the same size as the Earth, only slightly smaller. It is the brightest and hottest planet of the solar system. The atmosphere of Venus has carbon dioxide, which traps the sunlight and gives the planet its highest surface temperatures. It has no moon. Earth. It is the largest inner planet and the fifth largest in the solar system. The Earth is slightly bigger than Venus and is also called its twin. Mars. It is the fourth inner planet. This planet, smaller than Venus and Earth, is slightly larger than Mercury. Mars is also called the red planet because of the presence of iron on its surface. Mars has very high mountains and very deep canyons. It has 2 moons. Outer planets. These are also called gas giants, as these planets are mainly made of gas, dust, and ice with a small solid core. The outer planets are farther from the Sun beyond the asteroid belt. Jupiter. It is the largest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is so big that 1300 Earths can fit into it. It has 67 moons. Saturn. Saturn has rings made up of gases and dust around it. It is the second largest planet. It has 62 moons. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet rotating or spinning sideways on its axis. It has 27 moons. Neptune. This planet is the farthest from the Sun. The atmosphere of Neptune is composed of methane, a poisonous gas. This gives it its blue color. Neptune has 14 moons and is also the most dense gas giant in the solar system. Its mass is 17 times that of the Earth. Stars, planets, and the Earth. Other members of the solar system. Asteroids are smaller rocky bodies that are present in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They are sometimes also called minor planets, as they are smaller than the planets. Large asteroids are also called planetoids. The largest asteroid is Ceres. Vesta and Pallas are other examples of asteroids. Comets are bodies made of ice, dust, and rocks. When a comet comes closer to the Sun, its frozen materials turn gaseous, forming a tail that points in the direction opposite to the Sun. Halley's Comet intercepts the Earth's orbit in every 75 to 76 years. It was seen in 1986 and will be seen again in year 2061-2062. Bodies much smaller than asteroids that enter the Earth's atmosphere and burn as shooting stars are called meteors. Meteors that do not burn completely and strike the Earth with impact are called meteorites. Planet Earth. The Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. It has water and the atmosphere which supports life. The Earth also has 3/4 of its surface covered by water, which makes it appear blue from outer space. Hence the name Blue Planet. This planet is 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. The atmosphere of the Earth also protects it from the harmful rays of the Sun. The Earth, according to the scientists, was formed some 4.6 billion years ago. It is believed that it was like a ball of hot gases in the beginning. Its outer part cooled down and formed the crust-like layer on which we live. The 3 layers of the Earth are the core. The core is the center of the Earth. It is a huge ball made up of heavy metals. It has 2 layers, the inner core and the outer core. The inner core is solid, while the outer core is in a molten state. The core is very hot, that is 6000 degrees Celsius. Hence, temperature and pressure conditions in the interior of the Earth are very high. The mantle. The core is surrounded by a lesser hot layer called the mantle. It forms the middle layer of the Earth. The mantle comprises hot molten rocks, minerals, and metals. The crust. This is the outermost cool layer of the Earth, which supports life. It has landforms such as hills, mountains, plateaus, etc. The liquid water exists on this layer in lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. The crust is made up of different kinds of rocks and minerals.